Hold on. First thing I have to do is do something around here without getting killed doing it. What happened? Still recording? Shoot. What's this stupid thing? There's a short end or something. Yeah, I think there's a short in it or something. Shut up. Yeah. Somewhere now. big sweeper. More like a him right in the kisser.
The handle is JD. I'm in Sebastian, Florida. Where are you located out there? RBT-250, are you talking to Fort Pierce?
This is junk out of here.
I'm not sure you came back to me or not. You got Whiskey Rum 287, Roger.
The person has to die trying to clean house up because mechanical things don't work right.
Roger, on the Wisconsin. I'm in Sebastian, Florida. You got JD, Roger. John here.
Huh?
John, I think I'm bumping heads with somebody. You copy JD, Whiskey Rum 287.
Oh well. Flight mode. I don't remember the flight mode. Oh, electrified. Uh-oh. Beep, beep. Beep.
You got Whiskey Rum 287. JD in Sebastian, Florida, Roger. WRBT-250 clear.
Put this thing up before it kills me. Play the bonnet.
How about that 287 down there in Sebastian,
Electro man.
WRMSL50 here in Indianapolis, Indiana.
Man, yesterday, and you might not have no balls left.
I'm down here in Sebastian, Florida. You got JD, Roger.
Stand up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Copy that. Now, I'm a little half-deaf over here, and you're saying a little too fast. When you're saying Whiskey Wow, are you saying Whiskey Romeo Oscar Mike or Whiskey Romeo Oscar November? 287 there, JD, and this operator came up here at Kilo Echo. Go ahead.
All my antique stuff. Especially that 8-beater right there.
Very well. WRMS 287. JD out of Sebastian, Florida. Okay, sir. Well, Merry Christmas to you and yours. You have a blessed and safe day out there. Stay warm, but I already know you are. We're 18 degrees out here in Indianapolis, but it's a beautiful day, though. Nice and sunny. The winds have died down. We've had about 50, 60, 80 mile an hour winds up here over the last week, and it's been crazy. But now it's finally settled down a little bit, so we'll catch you a little later. WRMS 287, WRMS L50. We're clear on yours there, JD. Good meeting you. Good talking to you. Holy smokes, 80 miles an hour. Shoot, we have smaller hurricanes that don't even reach that, well, I know what you're going through when you get that kind of wind. Okie dokie, yes, Merry Christmas to you. Nice chatting with you. And stay
Well, there's a lot of trash. Let's just stand up. Stand up there.
The further north you go and check, you know that, but yeah, I was over there from, Kevin and Rich out there, and they were linked up today.
I told you to stand. Oh, not like this. All right, I'm getting calm down.
Yeah, boy, you got down here, you're not my thankless sister. You see that check right there? That picture I sent, at the very bottom of it, says Santa with Merry Christmas.
I'm so over this damn sweeper.
You're my thankless sister.
I'm done with this
I
sweeper.
didn't catch that until after I said it, and I read the whole thing, I was like, oh, man. Yeah, we call it, no problem, yeah, good deal. And, that tree does look real nice. Oh, man, your tree looks beautiful. It really does. Nice tree.
Sure wasted some misery trying to find something they're gonna never find before.